Hey guys, today we are going to show you how to make this super cool Galaxy theme book cover with Malaysia Clay Art AB Clear Epoxy Resin, colorant, glitters, a digital scale, paper cup, mixing stick, and a book cover silicone mold. To start, mix part A resin and part B hardener to the ratio given, which is 3:1. Stir slow and in the same direction until the mixture is clear. Mix colorant in the mixture and pour it in your mold. Plan your gradient colors. Here we are using black first, next with silver glitter powder, mix with resin and pour them in the middle. Once it's done, add some red with black colorant and diamond confetti flake to complete the book cover. Be sure to get the mixing ratio right. Leave the creation for 10 to 15 hours to dry and it's ready to demold. Simply pull the silicone mold away and you have this super cool Galaxy theme book cover. Bind it with papers and make your very own book. Please like, share and subscribe if you like our video. Thank you and bye bye!